Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a get ready with me for Navratri. So first, I am starting with skincare to get it nice, prepped and glowy. I'm starting by washing off my face using the Plum's Vitamin C face wash and rinse it off after 60 seconds. I really like this face wash and I don't apply this to my damp skin or else the foam really dies down, so I like to massage this on my dry skin. I am also going to exfoliate my face with a face scrub just because I felt my skin was looking dull, using the McCaffeine's coffee face scrub and gently using my fingers to exfoliate. It has a very creamy texture and does not dry my skin out, but it is a walnut and coffee scrub, so if you use it, just make sure you are using little to no pressure. I'm going in with a face mask. This is the Name's face pack from Himalaya and it's a really good face pack. It does have fragrance but I do not mind. This step is going to make me look a lot more awake and fresh. It helps with acne and I love using this whenever I see tiny bumps or pimples emerging. After about 15 minutes, I am gently removing the face mask. To tone my face, I am using the Rice Water Toner from the Face Shop. This hydrates my skin so well. It has a thick consistency and it sits really well under makeup. To moisturize, I'm using Cetaphil's moisturizer. It's a really good moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It works so well with or without makeup. So I'm taking a generous amount and applying that all over my face, my neck. My skin is super hydrated and it's time for makeup. To prime my face, I recently got the Swiss Beauty Primer and I'll put that all over my face. I pretty much like this primer a lot and it gives me a very smooth finish. Applying a little concealer under my eye just to brighten them. And blending it in with my foundation from Lakme. It's a beautiful foundation and does not dry out my skin at all. So I'm going to blend that all together using a beauty blender till it's all even and nice. For my blush, I'm using Lakme's lip color in the shade Nude Cushion. It gives a very dewy look. So I'm applying some on my cheeks, nose, and I'm going to spread that all out using my beauty blender. I am setting my face with the K-Beauty powder under my eye and nose. And I'm going in with a brow pencil to fill in my eyebrows as well. So for my eyeshadow, this is one of my super old eyeshadow palette. It's from L'Oreal. I used to use this back when I was flying back in Indigo. It's an amazing palette. I don't know why I stopped using it honestly. So I'm just using this peachy orange shade all over my eyelid, and I will apply the same shade to my lower lash line as well. This eyeshadow payoff is really good, and to add some more depth, I'm using the dark brown and dabbing that on my outer crease and sort of building that up. So I want this look to be really simple, not too dramatic, so I will finish this eye look here with a mascara. I am using the L'Oreal's Air Volume Mascara and it's amazing. For my lipstick, I'm using one of my oldies again. It's from Color Bar in the shade Outrage. It is a very subtle nude pink. I think it goes so well with this eyeshadow. Going to put in a little bit of highlight just for that glow, just to highlight my cheeks, some on my nose as well. Makeup looks good so far. I'll quickly change. I will set my face using the Miss Claire setting spray. It's a dewy finish and it sets everything so well. It is a desi look, so I thought of adding a bindi with an eyeliner. And this is the completed look. Everything I'm wearing is from Myntra, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you very soon.